I'm Solon Surname, welcome to a special interactive edition of Mixed Emoji. Isn't that exciting? Okay, the interactive bit's over now. It's time to look at drinks. The hot beverage. The exact colour of these shows how much milk each of our developers opt for. Apple's is completely without, but that's a very posh teacup with a saucer, which I'd associate with milkier options. Google's mug has spikes on the opposite side to stop anyone else from sneaking a sip. This drink looks a bit thick to me. Is it just molten chocolate? That's a good idea. Ooh, get used, Samsung. So, if the rising wavy lines are meant to portray boiling heat, why is the HTC mug half empty? Or half full if you're an idiot. It wouldn't still be that hot if anyone had drank from it. Messenger shows the ghosts of the coffee beans rising from their watery grave. Worms. The rim of Emoji.'s cup kind of blurs into the liquid. How can such a simple and essential emoji be done so poorly so many times? Amongst all these elaborate misfires, I'm voting for LG, who've gone for a certain kitchen sink realism. A mug of tea is just a mug of tea. The Japanese drink their tea from cups without handles, which is why they don't have fingerprints. Are they too shy to add handles now they've committed? The exact shade of this green tea is a bit alienating to Western eyes, but it's about right. Not Samsung's, though. There are some simple edits of the other tea emoji lower down, but Twitter made a mistake and coloured the rim of the cup in green. What a mess. Apple got this. And wash that down with the beer mug emoji, with the glorious return of handles, which Apple seems to be making a point of with this huge one. Google's beer is a rip-off. There's a huge gap between the liquid and head. Samsung's is shown with beer leaking down the outside to form yet another ring on the table, you monster. LG's simplicity works against them this time. The Facebook one is just a briefcase on its side. It's evident from studying Emojipedia that Twitter and Mozilla copy from each other, even as far as drawing amber-coloured glass. I mean, what is this? Emoji.'s glass seems to be bulging from the beer in it. Again, not a good showing. Apple wins, I suppose, but their prior one was better. The clinking beer mugs emoji cheers up your day, and mostly consists of 2 copies of the prior emoji in deep conversation. Apple again. Cocktails, huh? Sure. Twitter and Mozilla are fooling no one. They already drank them. I'll go for this Samsung one and its intriguing coloration. Someone at Unicode really digs their cocktails because there's a second such emoji, the tropical drink. It may be referred to as a boat drink. I've never heard of that term. I'll go learn more about it. It may be portrayed with needless fruit on a spike, a straw, an even more needless umbrella thingy, or all 3. Samsung's blue is suspicious. The Emoji 1 drink has been left too long and has separated. Yuck. I'll take the LG one, just don't tell me the price. Unicode really like their alcohol, don't they? Like, there's no orange juice, soda, or drinking water emoji. It's basically all tea or booze. That means there's very few drinks emoji available for the underage. They'll just have to settle for this baby bottle. Google. I guess if I want drinking water, this potable water symbol will have to do. It's rubbish though. The tap's hogging the cup. And this white stuff doesn't really look like something I would want to pote. Apple. And more alcohol. It takes extreme care to draw a tumbler and not make it look like a diseased urine sample. This is less a drink and more a thing you hold and swoosh around to look cool. Microsoft's defies gravity. Samsung's has a tissue drowning in it, and the ominous word Oni. Emoji.'s have given you nothing. Emoji won't win this with their accurate portrayal of the liquid to ice ratio. And a hidden smug face that represents someone who drank from a tumbler. Now, if you're sophisticated, you'll opt for the wine glass emoji, which is already mid-swoosh in Google land. Samsung have one of those oversized wine glasses that we pretend is just a novelty, but it's actually really handy for when you want to have loads of wine. Mozilla really know how to fill it up. I'm going for LG. And the champagne emoji. Apple's is a tiny bottle. I don't think this Microsoft cork would ever fit in. There's no action in the Twitter one. What's an anticlimactic decorking? Google got it. I need to go and lie down now. If you liked this video,